What's up guys, and welcome to the channel. I know this is not something that we usually cover, but whenever we do an upgrade, I'm always very excited about what it's going to look like. So today we have got MacBook Pro 14-inch with the M3 chipset in it. Very excited about this one. Been using my M1 MacBook Air for a while. Oh, that is a smooth open there. And yeah, decided to do an upgrade, doing more editing on the MacBook. So this is where we are at. Okay, so we just putting there. Immediately I can feel it's much thicker than my old M1 MacBook Air. Definitely heavier as well. There's the infamous new, well, old but new but old MagSafe charger with a USB-C on the end. So I'm sure we'll have our charging brick. Yep, there it is. Good old charging brick, 70-watt charging brick. That's a nice. That also feels nice and beefy compared to the old one that I've got. All right, so let's take all the wrapping off. Oh, there it is. Nice and engraved in the MacBook Pro. Ooh. You can see the, looks like air vents on the side there. I mean, definitely didn't have that on the M1. Obviously this is doing a lot more. There you can see the Thunderbolt, MagSafe charger, earphone, HDMI. Okay. This is pretty nice little feet. I mean, it's Apple. It always feels like it's got a good finish to it. I know the opening is always smooth. It's already dooming at me. All right, so now you guys can see what I can see. And there it is, busy welcoming me. I mean, it's got a nice feel, nice finish to it. The buttons are very different to what I had on the Air. It's one thing with the MacBook, I almost wish it had a numpad over here. I really do miss that with my old Windows machines, but yeah, this is a good system. All right, so we're looking for our language. I might just jump through this. See the big notch at the top here? Yes, we are in South Africa. Now that I got a MagSafe again, is this. Ooh, that is smooth. Okay, so here we got the old M1 on the left, transferring to the M3 MacBook Pro on the right. Yeah, quite a seamless connection, very much like how it is on iPhone. And yeah, so now I'm gonna just leave it to connect and transfer everything over, and we'll see what it looks like. You can kind of see a big difference with the bezels. If you look at the top, and obviously the notch over there. I mean, notch never bothers me, but I can't really see too much of a difference on the screen now. I guess if I open up some media just now, I'll see something. All right, it's saying migration done. I'm very interested to see how this works now, because obviously I've done it on an iPhone before and an iPad. Okay, so I got the same account there, and it's asking me to log in, which I'll do now. Okay, so I put the password installed on both devices. Okay, the Air is ready to go. All right, so we just started up here, and it looks like everything is exactly how it was before. My old, you can see the two screens are identical. I just want to open up and see programs. Are all the programs there? So it's coming up with Office now. Haven't had to install anything. There we go. Check it out. It's all there. Oh man, that's amazing. Let me go into my Launchpad. So some things are in different order, but I mean, that's really not a train smash. Let's just scroll across this side. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, so here I've got playing a 4K video. on my Davin Drone website. And yeah, these speakers are incredible. Yeah, this is a nice display. You can see it's much, a little bit brighter. I wouldn't say much brighter, but it definitely is brighter. But I can see an improvement with the display. It's really nice. Alright, so that's it. The new MacBook Pro. See you in the next video.